Hello my dear friends, today I am going to start my second lecture about Calculus-2, which is based on term by term integration exercise. Before going to start exercise, just I want to give you few important rules related to this topic. The first important rule is integration of x to the power n dx is equal to x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c integration constant. And if it is written as 1 divided by x to the power n dx, then we can solve it by picking as x to the power minus n dx. So use this one, so it will give us x to the power minus n plus 1 divided by minus n plus 1 plus integration constant. So this is the rule number 2. And few rules which is required in this one, like integration of sine ax dx. So integration of sine ax dx is equal to minus cosine ax divided by a. A means this is constant term. This should be count down plus c. Similarly, if it is given as integration of cosine ax dx, then it will be equal to sine ax divided by a plus c. And there are few rules which we will use for getting the result, like trigonometrical rule means cosine 2x equal to 2 cosine square x minus 1. So if I replace this one here, then it becomes cosine 2x plus 1 is equal to 2 cosine square x. It means that the value of the cosine square x is cosine 2x plus 1 divided by 2, because of 2 is here. And if the question is given in terms of, that means we will use this one as a rule. We will use this one as a rule. We will use this one as a rule. Now, if it is given as cosine 2x is equal to, this is also rule, 1 minus 2 sine square x. Now what I have to do? We can say that because of this is negative, if I replace this part here and this part here, this is another rule of cosine. If I replace this part here, then this will come, minus becomes here, plus after replacing. So it is 2 sine square x equal to 1 is here, and if you replace this here, it becomes minus cosine 2x. Now, if the question is given about what is the answer of sine square x in terms of cosine, then it will come 1 minus cosine 2x divided by 2. I will use this one also as a rule. When we are doing some question, I will also use this one as a rule. Now, I am going to explain you by picking few examples that given in the handout. I am going to start doing something. Before going to start, just again I am telling to you that one. There is one rule, also trigonometrical rule, 1 plus tan square x is equal to sec square x. It means that one, if any question is related to integration of tan square x, then we can convert as tan square x is equal to sec square x and replace this one here. So it becomes sec square minus 1. That means there is another rule we can use. There is another rule we can use like that one. Tan square x is equal to this one. And another rule is 1 plus cotangent square x is equal to CSC square of x. So we can write it cotangent square x is equal to CSC square x minus 1. CSC square x minus. Now, on the basis of that one, I want to tell you by picking few examples. This example is given in your handout. Evaluate the integral. Evaluate the integral x root of x plus x divided by x square dx. This integration is given in your exercise. Use term by term integration and evaluate this one. So what I have to do? Very easy, nothing. I need to apply integration term by term. So first of all, I am requesting to all of you, just please simplify. That means x, we can write it x root means x to the power half plus x divided by x square into dx. Now we can write it like that one also. That means integral can be written as x into x to the power half divided by x square plus x divided by x square dx. Now if you try to cancel, yes, we can cancel it. So I'm going to cancel this one. X will be cancelled out and this also will be cancelled. So if you cancel this one, then this one is now 1 divided by x because of here x. So 1 divided by x means it is coming as x to the power half divided by x plus x divided by this one means 1 divided by x into dx. Now, by using the algebraic, I can also simplify another step. Because of I don't have what is the integration of this one. So x to the power half into this comes up as x to the power minus half plus 1 by x dx. Now by using this one algebraic way, that means we know that one a power m multiplied by a power n equal to a power m plus n. This is called exponential term. Addition of exponential term. That means when two exponential term multiplied, then it will be equal to a power m plus 1. And there is also one rule that integration of 1 by x dx is ln of x. Why? Because of d dx of ln of x is 1 by x, and since I am telling already in my previous lecture that derivative is the reverse process of the integration. That means if you want to find the integration of that one, this one is the integration of this. So this one is ln of x plus c. Now I am going to use this one. So it is x to the power half minus 1. That means 1 by 2 minus 1 plus 1 by x dx. Now simplify it. It comes x to the power half minus 1. That means x to the power minus half plus 1 by x dx. Now again simplify. So I mean use the integration part. So n is equal to, in this one here, n equal to given, n is equal to minus half. So that using the standard form the integration, it comes like x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus integration of 1 by x is ln of x plus c. Now just simplify, I mean write the another step. So it becomes x to the power minus half plus 1 means half divided by half plus ln of x plus c. Or because of this is divided by 2, so we can write it another step simplified form is this 2 comes up. So 2 x to the power half plus ln of x plus c, or we can write it 2 x to the power half means 2 root of x plus ln of x plus c. This is the answer of that question. Hopefully you people understand. Now I am going to pick another question which is given in your exercise. That one is evaluate the integral. I am not writing evaluating always, just it means that one evaluation. 5 sine x divided by 7 dx. I am not picking the same example. Why? Because of if you understand that one, then you can write the solution of that question which is available in the handout, so that you can learn more. Now I am just going to write this one by using this integration which I already explained to you previously, but I am writing here integration of sine ax dx is minus cosine of ax divided by a. So just you need to check what is a here. So a means here 1 by 2. In place of a, it is given here. Here a equal to 1 by 7 means constant term is 1 by 7. So now write the solution directly. 5 into integration of sine x means minus cosine a. A means ax means this full term. X divided by 7 divided by a means 1 divided by 7 plus c. Now just simplify it. So it becomes, see that one, this is plus 5 and minus. That means minus 5 and this 7 comes up into cosine x by 7 plus c. Now multiply it. So minus 5 multiplied by 7 is minus 35 cosine of x by 7 plus c. This is the answer of that question. This is the answer of that question. Hopefully you people understand. Now I am going to pick another question which is given in your handout. That one is evaluate the integral 1 plus tan square x dx. So how we will do that one? See, I told you 1 plus tan square x means sec square x. So very easy. Because of 1 plus tan square x is sec square of x dx. So integration of sec square x is tan x. So simply you can write it within 1 second. This is the answer of that question. Now parallelly, if I want to explain you this type of question is given like evaluate this integral as 1 plus cotangent square of x dx, then what is that? Since the solution is very easy, what you have to do? Since 1 plus cotangent square x is CSC square of x, CSC square of x, and the integration of CSC square of x is minus cotangent of x plus c. So this is the answer of that question. Hopefully you people understand until now. Now I am picking another example which is given in your handout. Evaluate the integration of CSC of x divided by CSC of x minus sin x dx, minus sin x dx. So for this one, for the writing the solution of that one, we need to use some trick. What is the trick? This is rule. CSC means we can write it 1 divided by sine. So use and if a minus b divided by c is given, then we can simplify it as AC this multiply this one minus b divided by c. By using these two simplification, I am going to write this one as CSC means 1 divided by sin x full divided by 1 divided by sin x minus sin x. Just simplify by using algebraic way. Now what happens? Now simplify it. So when you simplify, it becomes 1 divided by sin x and divided by this multiplied by this one. So it becomes 1 minus sine multiplied by sine is sine square x divided by sine x dx. Now just simplify it. So we will get like 1 divided by sine x, and this sine x, sorry, this is not sine x here. Sine dx should be here. So now 1 divided by sine x, and this sine x comes up divided by 1 minus sine square of x multiplied by dx. Now cancel this one, this one. So it becomes now integration. This cancel, 1 divided by 1 minus sine square of x. 1 divided by 1 minus sine square. And see that one? Because of this is rule, sine square x plus cosine square x is equal to 1. So if you replace this one here, then this becomes cosine square x is equal to 1 minus sine square x. So in place of 1 minus sine square x, I can write cosine square x. So now if you replace this one, 1 divided by 1 minus sine square x means cosine square of x dx. So 1 divided by cosine is 1 divided by cosine of x is equal to sec x. This is also rule. This is also rule. So 1 divided by cosine square x means sec square x. So finally it reduces as sec square x dx. And everybody knows what is the integration of sec square x? Integration of sec square x is tan x plus c. This is the answer of that one. Now just I'm telling to you, please try this question as practice question. If this question is given as sec x divided by sec x minus cosine of x dx, then what is the answer? Just I'm telling to you, leaving to you for practicing as homework. So please try to, otherwise next lecture I will try to explain to you.